Okay, this is the cat having a slightly late Christmas dinner. Well, about a month late. Couldn't work the cooker out over Christmas, and we now have a microwaved turkey wing. And he's wondering, what the hell is this big thing? Okay, we'll get around the other side and see. Let's see, imagine that. Put elastic around it. It's always fascinated by an elastic. Yeah. Oh, it's gone. I'll move it. Put it there. Stick an elastic around it. That will entice him to the real goods, which is the wing. The elastic is just the bait. And there he is. This is Brillo, the Brillo cat. He's in Berko, but his name only means to know because, well, cats' name should end in O, but people's name shouldn't really. Brillo, every other O. And then of course there's Joshua, but this is Joshua Sullivan, not Joshua Echo, Quacko, Wacko. Okay, now what's he looking at? He's now investigating the August catalog. Not the smell of wing. Well, the wing is over there, you should be investigating the wing, not the smell of wing. He's only 6 months old, like, so he's working things out yet. He's used to nice, comfortable little pre-prepared food, so chomp on a good chunk of meat there now with it. It'll be alright. Hey, nope, chew on the carpet instead. He's absolutely entertaining. Cheers me up no end. Keeps me out of the height of trouble. Instead of playing with Acko, Jalbo, Spivo, Wabo, Dacko, Wacko, and Jacko, I play with Brillo. And you don't give me any grief at all. Oh, that's right. It was sort of just right for my birthday present, Halloween present, you could say, October, you know. Witchy little cat, isn't he? Jet black, full of mischief, no harm at all. Rather burn him at the stake. He's cheering everyone up. He starts doing duck impressions, in which case he's speaking in tongues. Okay, now where's the cat gone? Follow over the cat. They won't hold the zoom, I should just follow the cat, right? I know. No ish gadget, huh? Cut my ball out with my brain, so I just started walking back. Okay, find the cat. He's entered the lounge. We are now entering the kitchen. We're entering the kitchen. He's gone. Nope. Yes, we are now documenting the cat. Hello, below. What did that say? Meow, maybe? No, this is a good flop. What's the taste? He's not too sure about the size of the food. I'll demonstrate now what I mean, like, he's got munchies, crunchies, water and milk, which is, so, that's milk, blue top only, full fat he likes. I'm sure he'd like to straight from the cow, like the 15 cats we used to have back in the home farm, like, but nope, full fat is as good as you get in it. Came some, hedged some green stuff, with some spiv ran off for 20 quid, so I managed to hedge some green label milk. He drank it, but it was sort of white water like look on his face. It's got a look on my face. I'm like, I'm used to this pasteurized, whatever the hell stuff. So that's the milk. That's the what's it called? Felix. I don't know. Good chunky stuff. Good boil of water and Go-Cat. He likes his Go-Cat. Tried him on Netto. It was totally broke. Only got a few bob of Go-Cat. He was Go-Cat and what's it called? Good stuff though. Get an ice foot for bugger all. What is it? Whiskers. That's the stuff. Whiskers. So, yeah, he likes his whiskers. He likes his Go-Cat. And he likes the turkey that wouldn't cook. Neighbours were chasing me out of the place at the time, you know, and whatever. Go-Cat, he's in there somewhere. I don't know if you can see him or not. Oh, I can see him now. Yes, we are documenting the cat discovering real meat. Brillo. Come on, Brillo. Okay, August catalogue, perfect for putting anything on top of it and buying anything out of it as long as it's not cheaper anywhere else. But they do have a good range. Some good values sometimes as well, as long as they don't get stolen the minute you buy them. Whinge. Don't call the cops, they'll blame you because they were coming to the big one. Less whinging. And here's the cat. And the cat is looking at the meat. And the meat is looking at the cat. Brillo. Oh, he's now investigating a seldom seen item, a brush. I bought a brush recently, got to tidy up. The neighbours annoyed me and called the cops, and I kicked the bin in the yard and I got blamed for everything. But I didn't tell anyone and everyone's calmed down now, it's great. So, what's this brush concept? Well, I had a brush, but not without a handle. No, my arm isn't working, I need a handle. Okay, so, he's back to the whiskers. Okay, so, convenience food, highly nutritional. So, he's Kitten Cat and I'm here at the course tester. I do taste his food before I give it to him to make sure it tastes somewhat reasonable. And the first stuff I got was like, yeah, it tastes like right rubbish, but I expected cat food to taste like rubbish, and then I got whiskers and thought, you know what, now if I was a cat I'd eat that. Just one little jug just to make sure it's edible. Cat is great, it's better than crunchy nut, whatever the hell cornflakes provide. So let's see if we can work the zoom now. I got a picture of a cat 10 years ago on a Christmas tree, but I don't. This cat is bigger than this. See the Christmas tree? That's the Christmas tree. Plug it in for a second. Plug it in at Christmas. So I'm busy sulking, whatever it is, sulking. Bah, humbug. There you are. See, there's a nativity under it as well. So a pawn shop jobby nativity. That's that thing under there. That's the nativity. And that's a Christmas tree. So we have the cat, who you can see is twice the size as a Christmas tree. The other picture I got on facelessnessbook.com is cat in Christmas tree. But cats are